The Nutrition Group is excited to introduce our Action Station Weeks. Once a month, for 1 week, all of our high school cafeterias will feature action stations. We'll be serving up brand new recipes and flavors made fresh right in front of you. From tasty international dishes to creative twists on your favorites, each action station will bring something new, fun, and delicious to your lunch experience. Get ready to enjoy sizzling hibachi, juicy smash burgers, hearty burrito bowls, and so much more. And the best part, it's all included as part of your free school lunch. So be sure to follow us on Facebook at Nutrition Group at Beaufort County School District. You'll be ready to grab a plate and taste what's coming during our Action Station Week.